Clear instructions are the bridge between a great lesson plan and real student success. For adult learners, unclear directions can quickly lead to frustration or disengagement, but when our guidance is simple, paced, and supported with examples, we set the stage for active learning. By avoiding common pitfalls, we ensure every learner knows exactly what to do and feels ready to succeed. Let's get started. Mastering the message: 7 mistakes to avoid when giving instructions. 1. Do not assume prior knowledge. Never assume learners already know a process or a concept. Instead, always begin with the fundamentals and build from there. This ensures everyone starts on the same page and feels confident. 2. Do not speak too quickly. Deliver instructions at a slow, deliberate pace. Allow time for learners to process each idea before moving to the next one. This is especially vital for ESL students and those who need more time to absorb information. 3. Do not use complex vocabulary. Use simple, direct language. Avoid jargon or technical terms that might confuse learners. Keep your words and sentence structure straightforward. 4. Do not give all instructions at once. Break down multi-step tasks into smaller, manageable parts. Give one instruction at a time, and have students complete that step before you move on. This prevents information overload. 5. Do not skip modeling the task. Always show learners exactly what you expect them to do. Demonstrate the process step by step. This provides a clear, visual example for them to follow. 6. Do not neglect to check for understanding. Before starting an activity, ask learners to rephrase the instructions in their own words. Ask if they have any questions. This confirms everyone understands the task. 7. Do not forget to provide resources. Make sure any necessary worksheets, tools, or digital links are readily available. Tell learners where to find these materials. This prevents delays and confusion. By avoiding these 7 mistakes, passionate adult ed instructors ensure their instructions are a clear roadmap for success. This intentional approach boosts student engagement, builds confidence, and empowers every learner to participate fully in the lesson. Please share this video in your network. And don't forget to browse our website for more teaching strategies and textbooks. The CBL team. Your partner in student engagement, retention, and learning.